Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I'll show you how you can actually automate the process of building backlinks, more specifically focusing on high quality backlinks. You may have seen in various websites this section on their homepage that says featured on or as seen on Forbes, Founder. You may have seen CNN, etc., or Fox, or Business Insider, Yahoo Finance, etc. And you might have wondered, how have they achieved this? A lot of people think this is just to look nice on the homepage, but no. When you get mentioned, when you get a backlink on websites such as Forbes or US News or Business Insider, they have such a high authority, domain authority, that your website, your blog, your website will skyrocket in terms of rank results, right? And why is that? Because Google sees you as an authority in that space. For example, if you go to Moz domain authority checker, just to give you an example, they have a domain authority of 94 compared to other websites in your space that might have 10, 20, or 30. One backlink from these types of websites counts way more than any other backlink from other websites that don't have such an authority. So again, this is not just to look nice on the website, but it's to give you more authority and to rank better on search engines such as Google, etc. So now, how do we achieve that? This is achieved through a portal, a platform called helperreporter.com. So what you do is sign up, and once you sign up as a source, journalists of big media outlets such as Forbes, Founder, etc. put queries here, and they say, okay, we need an article about AI. If you are an expert in the AI space, reach out to me and I might feature you in my article. So once you sign up, it's very simple. They will send you a few days a week these queries, as I said. So now the traditional way to do this is you will see the query, the deadline, the media outlet, etc., the requirements from the journalist, and you will have to write manually to each one. And remember, this is a time race. Each journalist or media outlet receives like 200 pitches. So the faster you are, the more your chances are to grab this opportunity, right? And to be featured on their article. But because we focus on processes and we have a tool such as promptmate.io, you can do all of them, or at least the ones that you consider a good opportunity for your case, with a CSV file. I have built a template for this specifically that I will show you in just a minute. And you will see how you can actually generate everything with AI, of course, but instead of just using ChatGPT, etc., you bulk process everything and you send as many as you can, and your chances will grow exponentially to actually get one of these journalists interested in featuring you. So now let me show you how this is done. I just created this template. So currently the title of this template is Haro pitching use case, but you will find the final template link on the description. This is what you do. Basically, you need a CSV with all these columns in here. You can also click download template and we'll just give you the CSV. I use Google Spreadsheet, and this is what it would look. So this is what we can add to the CSV in order to get our result as fast as you can. So you will mention your company or your website, in this case, your blog or website, and your name, and these two never change. All these ones here, you can go ahead and grab them from your email, right? So for example, if we want to do this, supercharging sales conversion through website enhancement. So we go to summary and we paste it, right? Then we come to media outlet and we put it in here. Then we go to query, and then we come in here, copy paste it, and then we go to requirements, and then we put it in here. One thing I forgot to mention, that even your role never changes, right? So now if you have more queries that you want to do at the same time, as we said, we do bulk processing. Let's think this is it. So summary, right? Then you get the name. I think mental itch is the media outlet, so we will just grab the name. of the journalist, in this case, this guy. And then we grab the news outlet, the media outlet. This can simply be dragged down here. Same for your website URL. Same from your name. This never changes, right? And then we got the query, which is pretty long compared to the other one. And we just add it. Why not? And the requirements, it's the only thing that's missing. And we will just get two at this. For this example, it's just an example, but you can definitely do more. And you can do this a couple of times a week, every time you get emailed by Haro, right? And we go ahead and download this as a CSV. Okay, then we go back to PromptMate. We grab that CSV that we just downloaded. And technically on the template, you will just click run. But because I added that this task, this app, I'll just go ahead and this is an opportunity for you to even see the prompt. So this is the prompt. Is actually very simple. It says that you're a public relations expert with years of expertise in digital marketing as SEO. Your goal is to write a pitch for Haro queries. It mentions all the input fields which are important for us to come to the desired output. This is the result. It actually goes ahead and talks to the journalist about their requirements. It also proves you as an authority. These strategies are not just theory for me, but rather practical steps I've implemented with great success. So we go ahead and click run bulk if we want to do this for more queries. Once the results are ready, you can go ahead and download the output. You can use CSV, but I prefer personally to open on Google Spreadsheet. So I'll just go ahead and click. Once it's ready, you can see sheet created. Go ahead and click open. And here you have all the results. You can remove the queries if you want, the prompt queries, to avoid confusion and to have a very simple, so all the columns that you don't want, you can delete and then keep just the prompt result, which is the pitch that you will have for the journalist at Haro. So as you can see, everything is perfectly created for both queries on Haro. And you can do this for more. We just used two because it's just an example. But you can use 5, 6, or 7 at the same time, and then you can go ahead, copy the text and go ahead and paste it. As you can see on the pitches, they have their email here. You just have to email it. That's all you have to do in order to increase your chances and possibly be featured on Forbes, on Yahoo Finance, because all these journalists are big media outlets. So this is it. You can go ahead and sign up on Haro on helperreporter.com, then promptmate.io for the rest of the magic. You will find the link to this template on video description. And that's all for this video. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.